Yeah guys, just coming back from cutting some bushes and trees in the backyard with this Anbull 2-in-1 pole chainsaw, and it has been working absolutely awesome. This thing definitely rocks. By the way, I got this set for free from the seller to show you all the really nice details and the high quality, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. And so here's everything what we get. We get this really nice chainsaw. It has even a powerful 800 watt copper brushless motor, has a built-in semi-automatic oiling system, safety lock, safety protection here in the front, safety cap here on top. It's very easy to open and close thanks to this very large nut here. Also very easy to tighten the chain if needed with this included screwdriver just from the front here without having to open everything. We just untighten the whole cover a little bit, then tighten the chain, secure it again. Also nice protection here on top, nice protection down here. To use is very easy. We can use one of these Makita style 21 volts, 4000 milliamps batteries, super easy to add. And so we are ready to use the chainsaw like that. We even have a built-in light in the front. And it has been cutting super powerful for a 6-inch cordless chainsaw. No matter if it was more like bush-like stuff here, such leaves or large leaves from a banana tree with super strong fiber, with a lot of chainsaws, it's super hard to cut them. But here it was absolutely no problem, didn't even clog. It was easy to clean after that with just a little bit of compressed air here. You can see, I mean, this is how it looks after using, almost like brand new. I didn't have to untighten, open, clean it. But of course, I've also been cutting heavier stuff like these bamboo branches here, which are super, super hard. Needs really a lot of power to cut them. But here with this chainsaw was super easy. But of course also with the extension, which is really easy to use. We just add the chainsaw here in the front, just slide it in, make sure that it's locked, but we also have an additional lock here. We can also adjust the cutting angle 90 degrees to this side or 90 degrees down to the other side, so 180 degrees in total. We have different angles where we can secure it, and of course we can also extend it easily here in 2 different sections, up to 9.2 feet total length. And so after opening we can see, you can just pull it apart here, absolutely awesome, and then lock it in the position which you like and then use it. Not anymore from here, but after adding the battery here, this time in the back, we can use it directly from here. So I hope you can still see that. Chainsaw is there, control is here, battery is here, and so I press the unlock button and the trigger. Yeah, absolutely awesome. I mean, if you like, also like that, you can still operate it from here. And then after the work, very easy to remove. The pole itself comes also with this very convenient shoulder strap, because we have some weight, of course, especially if you want to use this for a longer time. But you don't have to be worried if you are not using it for many hours, then it's definitely not a problem. I never had to use this shoulder strap here. But of course, if you're using it with the full extension for a longer time, then it's recommended to use it. By the way, we get also a lot of stuff. We get the screwdriver for the chain tightening. We get also a replacement chain. Comes also with the charger for the 2 batteries. And we get also a pair of safety glasses, I would say in a decent size, not only children's size, and also these gloves here, which I've been using, have a nice grip. No extra rubber grip here inside, but has been working nicely for me to do the job. So I would say if you have to do a lot of trimming in your backyard, no matter if it's bushes, small branches, or even medium-sized trunk, then this could be the perfect set for you. Yeah, absolutely awesome set. There's no doubt about that. Almost no problems to find. I mean, I've been working with it for an hour or so, and I couldn't find any problem. Of course, the opening mechanism or tensioning mechanism could be a little bit easier. I've seen tensioning mechanisms which are using directly this screw or opening mechanism without having to screw, just with a flap here. But I've been using so many chainsaws till now, and there was no perfect system at all. So this is definitely not a bad thing. And the combination with everything is absolutely awesome, so helpful. Definitely one of my best chainsaw sets I've seen so far. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.